How to take long screenshot on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're on the page, take a screenshot. As you can see, at the bottom left corner of the screen the preview of the screenshot appears. When you tap on the preview, you will be taken to the screenshot editing page. At the top, tap on the full page option to capture the entire length of the web page. You can preview the full page on the right. Once ready, tap Done at the top left corner. As you can see, a menu will pop up. From the menu that appears, select Save PDF to Files. Next, tap on Save in the top right corner of the screen. To view the saved document, open the Files app and navigate to that folder. Tap on the PDF to open it and view the entire web page. Following these steps, you can easily take a long screenshot on an iPhone.